Hi there, welcome to DiviGear.com. Today we are going to see how we can install and activate a plugin from DiviGear. Let's get started.
Go to DiviGear.com from your browser. Here in the navigation bar we have login option. Click on it. Here we have our login form. Just type your username and password, then click login. I already have my password saved. If you don't know your password, then use lost password option. Use your email to recover the password, then login. I am logged in now. Here we have a secondary navigation bar. From here, click downloads. This will lead us to all the product download access. From here, check the product name and click download zip file. This will start downloading the file. We downloaded Divi carousel module for this video purpose. The process is same for all the plugins we have. Now let's go to the WordPress setup where we would like to install the plugin. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugin and click add new plugin. From the next screen, click upload plugin. Here we will choose the file from our computer which we downloaded before. Once uploaded, click install now. This will take a moment. Then in the next step, click activate plugin. That's it. Installation is completed. Now we need to activate the license key. Let's go back to DiviGear.com to get the license key. From the navigation bar, click orders. Here you have all the orders you made. Find the associate order for the product, then click view. Here we are in order detail page. Scroll down to license key area. Select the license key and copy it. Now let's go back to WordPress dashboard where we install the plugin. After installation, we had a new navigation bar called DiviGear. Click on it. Here we have the license key area under activation. We'll paste the code here and click save changes. Now click activate button. This will activate the license key on your website. That's all. Now our plugin is ready to use. Let's check the module on a page. Go to Visual Builder on a page. Here I am going to use existing content option. Now click on the plus icon to add a module. Here in the search field, search the plugin name or module name. Then insert the module and start creating new design.